that interview you had with the Malam?
Yes. Well, the figures we have yesterday showed that investors exchanged 235.23 million shares valued at 1.92 billion naira, done in 4,151 deals as a result of a transaction in the shares of Transcorp PLC, GT Bank PLC, Jay's Bank PLC, and ETI PLC. For Transcorp, we have 38.1 million shares traded, valued at 40.13 million naira, done in 174 deals at the market closing price 1 naira 6 kobo per share. GT Bank showing 18.73 million shares traded, worth 476.48 million naira, exchanged in 491 deals at the market closing price of 25 naira 50 kobo per share. While Jay's Bank PLC with 14.98 million shares, worth 9.82 million naira, done in 76 transactions at the market closing price of 66 kobo per share. And the ETI PLC with 14.49 million shares, valued at 106.34 million naira, exchanged in 57 deals at the market closing price of 9 naira per share. The lowest trade stock yesterday in the market was that of Apple Media PLC, with just 100 units of the shares being traded, valued at 15 naira. This was done in one transaction at the market closing price of 20 kobo per share. The market recorded 27 gainers as against 13 losers. The gainers was led by Boa Foods PLC with a price gain of 2 naira 60 kobo to close at 64 naira 40 kobo. Boa Cement PLC went up at 1 naira 40 kobo, closing at 71 naira 40 kobo. Dangote Sugar appreciating by 1 naira 55 kobo to close at 18 naira 55 kobo. Corn Oil PLC went up by 65 kobo to close at 21 naira 95 kobo. And from the losers table, we have NEM Insurance PLC topping the table with the price depreciation of 33 kobo to close at 3 naira 63 kobo. WAPO PLC lost 10 kobo, closing at 55 naira 50 kobo. Union Bank PLC was down by 5 kobo, closing at 5 naira 60 kobo. Sunu Assurance PLC losing 2 kobo to close at 22 kobo. Meanwhile, the market capitalization of listed equities of the floor of the Nigerian exchange yesterday appreciated by 138 billion naira as the market closed at 24.05 trillion naira as against the previous day's closing figure of 23.92 trillion naira. And the index equally went up from 44,399.66 basis points, which closed the previous day, to 44,655.89 basis points yesterday, an appreciation of 256.26 basis points, or 0.58% appreciation. That's the market report. Of course, we expect that the insert will come in now with Malam Garba Kufi, who is the MD CEO of APT Securities. He did some analysis about the market and expectation for the market this year. I hope you can put that on now for our viewers to hear him know where the market will swing to.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much, Kenny. All right, so let's take that quick message from the contributor from the Nigerian Stock Exchange today. I'm talking about Malam Garba Kodesh, who is the MD CEO of APT Securities.
Markets. I think there is all those indicators that make the market to look better than the previous year. Okay. And the reasons are very obvious. One, we had a serious and surprise takeover. Titan Bank take over Union Bank. At what price, nobody knows. And we believe that the price is not going to be, it will be far ahead of the market price. By the time the price is known to the market, it will make clearer to the investors that our stock are grossly undervalued. And if the price is far ahead of the market price, it will ginger many people to now buy the stock because the stock are grossly undervalued.
Okay.
We are yet to know the exact price that they acquire it. That is one. Two, toward the end of the last year, we had two primary issues. MTN and FGN Scoop 3, 4. And we have seen that the MTN is grossly oversubscribed, as well as the Skook we have seen is oversubscribed by 343%. And what this shows, there is a lot of winning, looking for the right investment to invest. It's not that the people doesn't have money. The people have money. They are just looking for the opportunity. And this will trigger more companies likely to come through primary market in view of the huge money that hold by the investors looking for opportunities. So we expect more primary issues in this year than what we experienced in the previous year. Aside that one, this year started with a surprise.